So we're going to be going down this street right here. There's a tour group coming this way, so we'll probably capture that a little bit. Rua de Eduardo Marques is going to be our target street. Just to kind of give you some reference, there's a Protestant cemetery right there, so we might go down and film that for a moment. And then we got a large group of tour group coming from mainland China, most likely. It goes all the way down as well. And that's going to be our target street right there, Rua de Eduardo Marques. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that's going to be our target street right there. The cemetery is right behind me, so I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of peek. You can kind of see some of the writing right there, right? So we're just going to come down briefly, and then we're going to go across and go down that street in a second. So this is called the Cemetery Road. That's a tour group. So before we go down, I just want to show you there's this beautiful chapel right there, that blue one. We're just going to capture it real quick. There it is right there. So it's a beautiful, beautiful chapel kind of up on a little bit of a hill, surrounded by a cemetery with the cemetery walls everywhere. And actually this road, there's like tons of tour groups everywhere. They're walking around all of Macau. It seems like they go to more places now. In the past they'd kind of stay to the casinos, but now they're walking around everywhere. That's it. I don't recall seeing tour groups in this area before. But our target street is going to be this one, which is going to be Rua de Eduardo Marques. Got some kind of cool balcony up there as well, and lighting. So okay, that actually looks kind of cool already with that car. And then you got a little balcony and little, oh, I think it's using as storage. That could be like such a cool place to not put storage at. So now we got everybody's curious about this street. They're on a tour group, so they're taking them down to Top Siak. But actually I think this street is better. There's more cooler stuff over here. And I'm gonna try to do something with the so right there we have that car, and we have that yellow building. So actually that's a pretty good thumbnail right there. So that's Rua de Eduardo Marques. So let me kind of stand back a little bit. So then we got our tour groups. Our tour groups are over there. So you can see them kind of walking in that area. And that's that kind of cool looking building right there with that yellow car. I don't know if that yellow car is intentional. It's like, it looks so cool.
There's a church over there. It's very nice.
That was beautiful, right?
Turn left turn, down.
Down and left. Okay, thank you so much. Look how beautiful that is. That looks so cool. Nice, beautiful apartment with a nice balcony too. And actually it has like 3 balconies all the way up. It actually has 4, goes all the way up to the top as well. And I think that's actually like an art space. Looks like they're gonna make it into a restaurant. Let me just kind of see. I wonder if that's gonna be, kind of curious. Looks like they're doing like all kinds of work everywhere in here. So looks like maybe this one is condemned, or this one is abandoned with incense too. So let's go back. Huh, there's actually another rooftop up there too. So pretty cool street. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way. Yeah, it looks like they got a lot of doing a lot of repair work. So I don't know if that one, if these are all lived in or not, but that particular one was reconstruction. Yeah, I don't know if that one is. Look at all there's still other tour groups. Other tour groups are stopping to take pictures of this beautiful street. So funny. Okay. And then this top stick kind of has these colors. It's kind of the trademark in this area. And a lot of people will come over and take photos in this whole so that lady walked by and said, oh, there's a tour group here right in front of me. So she was saying to go straight and then take a left, right? So actually that's kind of like the main spot. But yeah, that tour group just walked all the way down Rua de Eduardo Marques. Then it goes to Rua San Miguel. So let me see. And then down this way, I'm just gonna put this on film a little bit because we saw those beautiful yellow buildings on that side, right? But there's also two beautiful ones right here. That one has a lot of art, and this one is Albuquerque. It's a Portuguese restaurant, and kind of a lot of beauty, really photogenic in here. Yep. And they got wishing well, so you can write your name on there. And then this one, it has a Portuguese bookshop, so they got wine, 35 with certain alcohol. Hello. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, so we're just gonna come around real quick. Got some art space. That other building, there's another yellow building up there that has a lot of art space. So I filmed it recently, and I don't want my film to be too long, so I don't think I'll film it now. But that's actually kind of cool too. The wishing well. Okay. Yeah, this one has a lot of artwork up in this one. So it's called Fantasia Creative Incubators. I think it's closed. Looks like they're just checking their clocks. I think it closes at 6 p.m. and I'm not sure what time it opens up. But yeah, that's Albuquerque. Pretty cool little space already. And then there's Rua de Eduardo Marques. So, pretty cool street. And then that one actually turns into St. Michael Street, Rua de San Miguel. So what we're gonna do is kind of come around like that, and then try to capture the Albuquerque one right there. So okay, kind of cool. And so that's that particular street. So you know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna film a little bit more, because this is kind of that woman said, you know, take a left, and she's right. This is actually a really beautiful area. So I got another St. Roque Street. This is a really beautiful building. I've heard a lot of different stuff about it. I think somebody told me recently that it's actually a school, or was a school, I mean. But now I think it's kind of like a temple, but I saw cats in there and like kids. So it's like, okay. There's St. Lazarus as well. So there's like 3 saints. There's St. Lazarus Street, St. Roque Street, and St. Miguel Street, St. Michael. And we got some more yellow buildings. Base yellow and purple. So pretty cool. And we're gonna end our video shortly. More cool stuff. More cool stuff. That's that street. I filmed it other times. If you want to focus on that one, watch me focus on it. Then this one right here is Vulong Street. So Vulong is also kind of a nice tourist street as well. So then you can also see this is also filmed in like the K-pop video New Face. So we were basically like we came around like that, and then we came back like this. And this is Vulong. So I think they're doing some new stuff here. And we're gonna end the street. Next, if I went to the end, then you could see that cathedral again. And that's where we started, and all the tour groups are coming down. Anyways, it's like that at the end, there's like a little blue spot. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.